And the decision on those shots is coming as a Levittown Middle School tonight deals with an outbreak of new COVID-19 cases.
The students are now quarantining and learning remotely.
Let's go to News 12's Tama Ponton at Sauk Middle School tonight. Tama, what are doctors saying about this outbreak?
Well, Rich, a Northwell critical care doctor says these cases here at Sauk Middle School are a cause for concern, and that is because COVID is a different disease in younger children than it is in older people.
We've let our guard down a little bit, and we're not following the same strict guidelines that we were in the beginning of really wearing a mask and social distancing.
Dr. Mangla Narasimhan with Northwell Health says the rise in positive COVID cases at Sauk Middle School, which the school says included 43 students and staff, is likely due to people not following COVID safety protocols. According to Nassau's Department of Health, the positive cases were spread among a few grades, and all of them had to quarantine and go back to remote learning.
After that quarantine period is over, to remember that we're not back to normal, that there is a high rate, especially in that community, and to remember that outside is better than inside. Mask is always better than no mask.
Dr. Narasimhan says her advice for parents of younger kids is to get them the vaccine if it's approved.
I understand, and I know it's a different world when it's your children and it's scary, but I definitely think that there's enough data out there for us to say that this is safe.
But parents may not be ready just yet. This is a News 12 Twitter poll from just a few days ago. More than half voted no on vaccinating their 5 to 11-year-olds. One parent we spoke with says for now, she's not making any changes.
Keep doing what we've been doing. We wear our masks.
Well, this was certainly eye-opening, Tama. Many parents adamant about not getting their kids this shot. What does the doctor say that could mean for the pandemic if those Pfizer shots get approved but aren't actually used?
Well, the Northwell doctor, Rich, is saying that if parents don't vaccinate their kids, we could actually be stuck in the cycle that we're in now with new variants, and children could actually bring home the virus to older people, and it could just continue to circulate. And those older people may have vaccines that are starting to wear off because they got their last shots more than 6 months ago. The doctor says those are all considerations that parents need to take when deciding whether to vaccinate their kids. Rich, Macy?